Hello guys, so today I am here with the Craftsman car vacuum. So you can do it in the car or in the home because its battery is portable easily. So I have 20-volt battery which is lithium ion. You can see it, put it for a long time and not even have to charge, and your charge is gonna stay. Okay, so you can open this like that, and I've been using it, so I just wanted to show you my opinion about it. Pull to remove, you can clean, and you see no dirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and close and check how much dirt I collect from this. Okay, so let's see how much dirt I collect from this mat. Okay, the machine was on for less than a minute, and let's see how much we got from this. Now I'm gonna wash my hand, and it's a very good product. You can get it on Lowe's or online. It's very durable. I really love it, and I just wanted to give you my opinion. And instead of using a cheap one, you should get a better branded one which is gonna last longer. Thank you guys, and have a great day.